May I now request the Honorable Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, His Excellency, Mr. Mohammad Shahbaz Sharif, for his kind remarks.
Endi Pokiston Islom Respublikasi Bosh vaziri Muhammad Shahbaz Sharif janobi oliylarini o'zining ezgu so'zlari bilan chiqish qilishga taklif etaman.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Your Excellency and my dear brother, Professor Dr. President Shavkat Mirziyoyev.
Janobi oliylari, qadrli do'stim, hurmatli professor, doktor, prezident Shavkat Mirziyoyev.
Honorable ministers and delegates from Uzbekistan and Pakistan, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening.
Hurmatli O'zbekiston va Pokiston vazirlari, delegatsiya a'zolari, xonimlar va janoblar, assalomu alaykum va xayrli kech.
Excellency, we are extremely delighted to have you and your wonderful delegation in Islamabad, your second home. And this is your second visit to Pakistan in 4 years' time.
Hurmatli janob oliylari, biz aytib o'tmoqchi edikki, sizni va sizni ajoyib delegatsiyangizni ushbu yerda Islomobodda sizni ikkinchi uyingizda ko'rayotganimizdan bag'oyatda mamnunmiz. Bu sizning Pokistonga bo'lgan ikkinchi tashrifingiz, xususan 4 yil ichida.
I would like to avail of this opportunity, my dear brother, Mr. President, to congratulate you for being awarded the degree of professor and doctor by NUST University, Islamabad, Pakistan, for your meritorious services, your unwavering dedication and your commitment to serve not only our brothers and sisters in Uzbekistan, but your great contribution in promoting peace, progress and prosperity in the neighboring countries.
Ushbu imkoniyatdan foydalangan tarzda qadrdon do'stim, janob oliylar, hurmatli prezident, sizni ushbu professor va doktor unvonini olganingiz bilan tabriklamoqchiman. Bunday unvon NUST universiteti tomonidan bu yerda Islomobodda, Pokistonda taqdim qilindi va bunday unvon xususan sizning sa'y-harakatlaringizga, vafodorligingizga, taraqqiyotga bo'lgan sadoqatingizga va ko'rsatayotgan sobit xizmatlaringizni e'tirofi sifatida taqdim qilinyapti. Sizning xizmatlaringiz nafaqatgina O'zbekistondagi aka-ukalar, opa-singillarga qaratilgan, balki-da kattaroq mintaqada bo'lgan qo'shni davlatlarda ham tinchlik, taraqqiyot va farovonlikni yo'lga qo'yishga bo'lgan sa'y-harakatlaringizni bu e'tirofidir.
Your Excellency, I would also like to convey my heartfelt congratulations on being awarded the highest civil award of Pakistan, Nishan-e-Pakistan. In English we would say symbol of Pakistan, for your great services and contribution to strengthen our brotherly relations and your commitment to convert these friendly relations into economic cooperation, trade, investment in various sectors of the two countries. I think, Mr. President, if we had a bigger title and award, you would have been the fittest recipient of this award.
Hurmatli janob oliylar, ushbu fursatdan foydalangan holda men chin qalbimdan sizni yana bir bora Pokistonning oliy fuqarolik nishoni bilan nishonlanganingizni tabriklamoqchiman. Xususan bu nishoniy Pokiston, ya'ni Pokiston nishoni deb tarjima qilinadi. Bu sizning yuksak bo'lgan xizmatingiz uchun va shu bilan birgalikda qo'shayotgan hissalaringiz uchun, xususan ikki qardosh davlat o'rtasidagi birodarlik aloqalarini yanada kuchaytirish, do'stona aloqalarimizni turli tuman yo'nalishlarga, xususan savdo, iqtisodiy rivojlanish, investitsiya va bundan tashqari yana ko'p sohalarga tatbiq qilayotganingiz uchun berilayotgan e'tirof nishoni hisoblanadi. Menimcha, agar bizning davlatimizda bundan ham oliyroq nishon bo'lganida, albatta eng mos keladigan shaxs bu siz bo'lardingiz.
Your Excellency, Pakistan and Uzbekistan have deep-rooted historical, spiritual, and cultural relations connected by the ancient Silk Route, spanning over centuries. The Mughal legacy originating from the valley of Farghana and the intellectual luminaries of Samarkand and Bukhara have etched a deep mark on Pakistan's history.
Hurmatli janob oliylari, Pokiston va O'zbekiston uzoq muddatlik chuqur aloqalarga ega. Bu aloqalarimiz ruhiy, tarixiy va ma'naviy hisoblanadi va qadimgi zamondagi buyuk Ipak yo'lidan boshlab turib, shu bilan birgalikda Mo'g'ullar imperiyasini oladigan bo'lsak, yokida Farg'ona vodiysi, xususan Samarqand, Buxoro shaharlarining intellektual yutuqlari Pokistonni tarixida katta o'rin egallagan.
These historical facts provide a very sound foundation of our durable relations and a very bright future.
Ushbu tarixiy faktlar bizning porloq kelajagimiz va ishonchli aloqalarimiz uchun kuchli bir fundamentni yaratadi.
I would like to convey my deepest sense of gratitude for your leadership and your vision and your commitment to take these relations to heights not known till this point in time.
Men chin qalbimdan yana bir bora o'z minnatdorchiligimni bildirmoqchi edim. Sizni olib borayotgan yetakchilik va rahbarlik faoliyatingizga va xususan bizni ushbu birodarlik aloqalarimizni yuksaklarga ko'tarayotganingizga.
And I can never forget the warmth and affection showered upon us during my great visit to your great country in February last year, and those memories will remain fresh in our minds for all times to come. Mr. President, we tried to do our best to arrange warmest welcome for you and your delegation, but I'd like to apologize if we have lacked in any way. But I hope, obviously we could not surpass your warmth, but if we can match your warmth, I think we would have earned our day.
O'tgan yili fevral oyida bo'lgan tashrifim mobaynida bizga yuqori darajalik iliq mezmondoshchilikni ko'rsatgan edingiz va ushbu bo'lgan xotiralar iliq tarzda, barra tarzda hali hanuz mening yodimda. Va hurmatli janob prezident va sizni delegatsiyangizga biz ham mana shunday iliq mezmondoshchilik ko'rsatmoqchi bo'ldik. Va albatta sizni mehmondo'stchiligingiz darajasidan biz hech qachon o'tib keta olmaymiz. Lekin umid qilamizki, hech qanday kamchilik bo'lmayapti va hech bo'lmaganda sizni darajangizga yaqinlashishga sazovor bo'ldik degan umiddamiz.
Today, Mr. President, we held the inaugural meeting of the High-Level Strategic Cooperation Council. This structured mechanism heralds for a very bright future for both our brotherly countries and our people. And in line with your vision, I want to assure you that I will work very closely with you for regional connectivity, as we both are in total agreement that Uzbekistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan rail project will be a game changer, not only for our countries, but for the entire region. And in that, we are ready to join hands and work together to raise funds for this project on the basis of our feasibility and business plan.
Bugun biz oliy darajadagi strategik hamkorlik kengashining ochilish uchrashuvini o'tkazdik va biz bu kengashni juda ham katta mexanizm sifatida ko'ramiz. Bu mexanizm ikkala birodar davlatning aloqalarini yanada kuchaytirishga, shu bilan birgalikda nafaqatgina davlatimizga, balki bizning aholalarimizga manfaatli bo'ladigan fundament hisoblanadi. Shu bilan birgalikda biz olib boradigan ishlarimiz, xususan O'zbekiston, Afg'oniston, Pokiston temir yo'li loyihasi biz kelishganimizdek o'yinni o'zgartirib yuboradigan loyiha bo'ladi. Bu nafaqatgina bizning davlatlarimizga farovonlik olib keladi, balki mintaqadagi yuksak, ya'ni yutuqlarga olib keladi. Hurmatli janob prezident, men shak shubhasiz yana shu narsani ta'kidlab o'tmoqchi edimki, biz o'z tomonimizdan qo'ldan kelgancha barcha sa'y-harakatlarni ushbu loyihani moliyalashtirishni yanada kengaytirishga qaratamiz va birgalikda ushbu yutuqlarga erisha olamiz.
My dear brother, Mr. President, I know for a fact, and it is no flattery at all, rather without an array of flattery, that you are a man of action. You speak less and you act more. And today's signing of this protocol, which we have just signed together, is a great manifestation of our commitment, your commitment, my commitment, to work together and enhance and expand our economic relations in the field of agriculture, pharmaceutical, textile, leather shoes, tourism, IT, and so on and so forth. We have just signed this protocol, which will lead to constitution of a working group between our two countries. From our side, it will be led by Minister Harun Akhtar, a very dynamic member of our team, and a member from your wonderful team. And they will work day in, day out to chart out a 5-year plan which will cover all spheres of our economic activity. This will be a game changer. This will really